Hey everyone, where is Silver Daddy? Well, I will tell you this much. I am in a geological national registered historical location in Florida. And this here is Deer Run Ravine. There's a creek here. Creek goes way down this hill, drops down close to 250 feet into a giant sinkhole. One of the largest sinkholes in Florida. At the top across the sinkhole is 150 feet. Down below, it's only 100 feet. And there has been people living in this area for over 10,000 years. Where am I? If you figure this one out, you're a super sleuther. Hey, subscribe. Bye.